How to check certificate trust version on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you where to find it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Next, scroll down and tap About. On the About page, scroll down and look for Certificate Trust Settings. Tap Certificate Trust Settings. Here, you can see information about trusted certificates installed on your iPhone. You may also see options for enabling or trusting certificates from installed profiles. If you don't see certificate trust settings, it usually means your iPhone doesn't have any additional certificate profiles that require manual trust settings. Keep in mind that certificate trust settings is different from the iOS software version. To check your iOS version, go back to About and look for iOS version. And that's it. That's how you can check the certificate trust settings on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.